Hey there, this is Tara with WTI.
Nobody wants their friends or family slipping and sliding around whenever they go to sit down on a piece of furniture. So CasterMaster has come up with a simple yet easy to use solution with these small rubber discs. I loved how it was just easy to be able to put it underneath the furniture, and then that way when I went to go sit down or anybody else, I didn't have to worry about them slipping. These 2x2 round discs were the perfect size for the furniture that I wanted to use it with. And I like how the material is thick and durable. It's got the ribbing both on the front as well as the back, so it gives you the security that they're going to stay in place. And these discs are so versatile that you can use them with all different kinds of furniture. So I was so happy because I had a lot of different ways that I could use them.
So if you're looking for a simple yet sturdy solution, these discs are just perfect. And that is just my point of view.